is Stremio add-ons not showing up for Stremio for you? So first of all you need to clear cache. The cache within the app. So open Stremio app, and after that you need to go to the settings option, then go to this general option, scroll down a bit, and you will find this option clear local cache. So just tap on this clear local storage. After that you need to manually remove cache from Windows. So press Windows and R, and after that you need to type this command %appdata% and open it. Herein you need to look for Stremio app. Simply type Stremio, and this is Stremio app will open up. Herein you need to locate this Stremio server, and in this you need to select everything, right click, and you need to delete everything in this folder. So third step is to open Stremio as administrator. In Windows simply look for Stremio, right click here, and there is an option of run as administrator, just tap on this. Lastly, you simply need to uninstall and reinstall Stremio app from your system so that it will get the updated version. So you need to go to the control panel, and here you click on uninstall a program. So look for the Stremio app. You can see Stremio is showing here. Just select this Stremio app and click on this uninstall option. After that go to Google and type simple download Stremio and open this stremio.com. Do not download it from any external website, only use stremio.com to download this software. After downloading this software you will get the updated version of Stremio in your system, and then you can simply open it and check out whether you are able to open add-ons or not. So after downloading it, let me go to my add-ons and click on this add-ons, and now my add-ons are showing up. And I can install new add-ons as well by searching here. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.